Hey peeps, welcome back to my another video, and it's about a question many of you would like to know: how to open a permanently deleted Snapchat account. In case you don't know how this happened or you intentionally deleted your account, let me show you how. Before anything else, launch your web browser and go to Snapchat support website, which is snapchat.com support. They've added a separate category for this. On the support page, click Contact Us, then I can't access my account, and I think my account was hacked. A form with Snapchat username, email address, and mobile number will be filled out to send to Snapchat to recover a deleted account. In the description field, put a brief description of your situation and try to be as concise as possible, saying that the account was deleted and would like to get it back. After entering all the information in the fields of the form, press on Submit. On this case, all you need to do is just to wait. The company's support service will consider your request and reply within 24 hours. Well, there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your permanently deleted Snapchat account in recovery mode. The key now is to wait for Snapchat's response. So if you like this video, don't forget to like it, and also subscribe for more technical video tutorials on Tech Library. Moreover, ring that bell icon so that you always can see the new post. This is it for today's lesson. Thank you for tuning, and I will catch up with you in the next video.